Hello all, welcome to Swed-Weld Automation Excellent Center Nordic, as we have been acquired by Atlas Copco. My name is Peter Sprigg. I'm the managing director of the company, and I've been here since 2 years behind. My background is that I've been as a CEO in different companies the last 16 years. Swed-Weld became 2012 acquired by Henrik Nord, who is CTO in the company today, together with Henrik Larsson. In the year 2024, July the 1st, Atlas Copco acquired all 100% of the shares in the company. And from my point of view and the company's point of view, this is a perfect match. Swed-Weld in the past has excellent feeders for this market. Atlas Copco has excellent tightening tool in both the screw runners as well as the nut runner. If we combine the feeders with the tightening tools, this gives a solution which are very requested from the market. Let's go into our production. Please follow me and I will show you a little bit more about our products and our solution. Hi Henrik.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Henrik, our CTO. He's also in the production sometimes and looking into how our feeders are working. This is the testing mode of the feeders. So Henrik, how is it going?
Yeah, everything is working fine, I think.